Yes. Now the next question is, in a circular table cover a radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Okay. Just you see, this is a circular table, and it is table cover is its radius is given to you OA, OB, OC is given to you 32 centimeter. Okay. Radius is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay. And design is formed leaving the equilateral triangle. This is your equilateral triangle. ABC, equilateral triangle means AB equal to BC equal to CA. All three sides are equal. Okay. And just you see, if we join, make a line and draw its center. Okay, it means we can say OA is the radius, OB is the radius, and OC is the radius, and O is the center of the circle. Okay, then length of OA, OB, OC will become equal. Why is that so? Because it is radius of the circle. Okay, and it is given to you 32, that is R, and this is 32 centimeter. Okay, just you see the lower part of this, just you see this part, like B, C and down part. This is just like a segment, no? One segment it is. And length of BC, AC and AB all are equal. Then how many segments are there? 3 segments. Okay, then question will become very easy. What is the area of shaded part? Shaded part is what? 3 into area of segment. But very one important is thing is given hiding there. What is angle is not given. We have to find the angle. Just you see, total 3 parts are there. Okay, like this. 3 parts, and 3 parts are equal, that we know, that x, x and x, and sum of all the angles at the center of the circle, that we know it is 360 degree. So then 3x is equal to 360 degree, then x will be 120 degree, and each angle, this part, angle BOC, this is 120, angle COA 120, angle AOB will be also 120 degree. Okay, then theta is given to you 120 degree. Then what to do? We have to find 3 into area of segment. In shaded area is equal to 3 into area of segment. What is area of segment? Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square upon 2 sine. Okay, put values here. 3 into 120 degree upon 360 degree, 22 upon 7, 32 into 32 minus 32 into 32 upon 2. Okay, then what is sine theta? Sine theta you have to find out. This is your sine 120 degree, and sine 120 degree, sine 120 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay, then 120 120 120. Yes, use distributive property, multiply 3 to both the terms, 22 upon 7, this is 1024, 32 into 32 1024, again 3 multiply here, this is 32 into 16, and sine 120 degree, it is root 3 upon 2, this is root 3 upon 3 to 3 cut. Okay, this will be here 22 into 1024, this is 2252 upon 7. Okay, here 256 into 3. This will be 768. Root 3 is root 2 centimeter square. This is your next question is ABCD is a square. See, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. What is given? With centers AB and A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Okay. Find the area of shaded region. This you have to find out. ABCD is a square and this circle is touching out of 3. 2 circles are there. They are touching each other. You have to find the shaded region. Okay, how can you find it? Just you see area of square minus. This is what actually this portion. Each angle of square is 90 degree. Okay, it means this is called a quadrant part. And how many quadrants are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then how can we get the shaded area? If you subtract 4 quadrants from area of square, then you will get the shaded region. The same thing, area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. What is area of square is side square. 4 into area of quadrant is what? Pi r square upon 4. You can cut. What is side? Side is given 14. 14 square. 22 upon 7 is pi. R is what? 7 into 7. You can cut. This is 196. Okay. And this is what? 154. And if you subtract it, 6 minus 4, 2. Okay. 9 minus 5, 4. 42 centimeter square. This is your figure. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other. These two diameters, AB and CD are two diameters. These two are perpendicular to each other. You can write like this. This is 90 degree. Okay. And OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OD is the diameter of smaller circle. This is the diameter of smaller circle. OA is given to you 7 centimeter. Definitely OD will be also 7 because this is 7. And OD will be 7 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find area of shaded region. Okay. Let the smaller circle center is O dash and bigger circle center is what? O. Okay. This diameter is given 7 centimeter. Then what will be the radius? O dash D. Let us assume it is R1. This is R1. This is 7 upon 2 because total diameter is given to you. Radius will be 7 upon 2. And here this is your again 7 centimeter. OC 7, OA 7, OB 7. Okay. Then we have to find the shaded area of this figure. Okay. This is area of circle of radius O dash. Now you hide it and see this is one semicircle, no? ABC is the semicircle. ABC is the semicircle. Okay, then what to do? From this semicircle, if you remove this triangle ABC, then you can get easily the remaining part. Okay, come on. Shaded area is equal to area of circle with center O dash plus area of semicircle with center O plus minus area of triangle ABC. Okay, this is pi r1 square. This is your semicircle, that is why 1 upon 2 pi r2 square minus half of b into h. That is area of triangle. Okay, pi is 22 upon 7. R is what? For R1. R1 is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 22 upon 7. What is R2? 7 into 7 minus half. Base into height. What is the base? This AB is given to you, no? OA is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 into 7. Okay. 2 in the 2, 11. 11 to 7, 30. 77 upon 2. Plus 77 minus 49. Okay, 77 is what? 38.5. 17 minus is 8. This is 28. If you add it, 66.5 centimeter square. This is the shaded region. Square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter are made. Find the area of remaining portion of handkerchiefs. Okay, you have to find the remaining portion of handkerchiefs. What is area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus 9 into area of circle. Okay, this is the thing. Then what is, see here, this is your handkerchief, 9 circles are there. Okay, so from this handkerchief you have to take out this circular part and you will get the shaded part. So we can say area of square minus 9 into area of circle. See, circle's radius is 7 centimeter. Keep in mind, just to see, is very important point. 7 centimeter. Then what will be radius of this first circle? 14. Sorry, diameter is 14. Radius is 7. Diameter will become 14. Diameter of this is 14 plus 14 plus 14. This is 42. It means side is 42 of this square. Side is 42 centimeter. Radius is given here 7 centimeter. Come on for shaded region. Area of square minus 9 into area of circle. Area of square is side square. Area of circle is 9 into pi r square, because 9 circles are there. Okay, side is what? 42. So 42 into 42. 9 into 22 upon 7. 7 into 7. 42 into 42 will be 1764. 1764. And you have to multiply 22 into 63. This will be 1386. Now 14 minus 6, this is 8. Okay, then 5 minus 8, 15 minus 8, this will become 7. Then here 6 minus 3, this is 378 centimeter square. This is. Now the next question is, OACB is a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. OD is given to you 2 centimeter. Find the area. First part, whose area? Quadrant OACB. OACB, this area of quadrant you have to find out, and then after you have to find out this shaded region. And what is the area of quadrant? 1 upon 4 pi r square. Now see, radius is given to you. Easily you can take out 1 upon 4 pi r square. This is 22 upon 7. This is 3.5 into 3.5. Remove this. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are this. Cut. Okay. 2 11. Okay. Then what will come? 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are. So this is 77 upon 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. This is very simple, area of quadrant. Then you have to find out area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of right triangle. Area of triangle BO. Area of quadrant is what? This only 77 upon 8. This is 77 upon 8. Half base into height. What is base? 3.5. And what is height? 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are. Okay. Then you can cut this. 2 2 2 you can cut. Take LCM 8. 77 minus 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4 centimeter square. Now the next question is, in a given figure, this figure is given to you, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. OPBQ, one square is inscribed it. Okay. OA is given to you 20 centimeter. Find the shaded region and take pi is 3.14. Okay. So this is one quadrant and you have to remove this square. When you remove it, whatever shaded region is remaining, that area you have to find out. Okay, this is 20, then because it is a square, all sides are equal, then all sides will become 20. And this is base, this is perpendicular, hypotenuse you have to find out. So hypotenuse h square is equal to b square plus p square. So this is OB square is equal to base is 20 square plus 20 square, 400 plus 400, then OB will become 800. Then what will be? This is 2 into 400, can write under root 2 into 200, 20. 400 square root of 400 is 20. So this is under root 220 into 20 centimeter. This is the length of hypotenuse of this triangle. Triangle name is OAB. In triangle OAB. Okay. This hypotenuse you got it. Then area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. What is the area? Area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant is what? 1 upon 4 pi r square. What is area of square? Area of square is what? Side square. This is side square. Now that you have to put the values. What is the value of this? Pi. Pi value is 3.14. 3.14. What is radius? Radius is 20 root 2. So 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus. What is the side? This is 20 square. So 20 square. Okay. Remove 100. 2 zeros. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, then 314 into root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. This is 400. This is 628 minus 400. Okay, then what will be? 228 centimeter square. This is your answer. AB and CD are respectively two arcs and arcs of two concentric circle. Actually, these two are the concentric circle. One circle and this another circle. Two circles are there. They are concentric. Center is O. Radii given to you 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. This is 7 and this is 21. Okay. And center is O. Angle AOB is 30. 30 degrees given to you. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to find area of this shaded region. Okay, this is looking like this. This one, this two, and this. This is only part of it. This is your AB, and this is CD. This you have to find. Actually, what is this? This is the sector, no? AOB is the sector, outer sector, and this is your inner sector, COD. If we subtract it, you will get the shaded area. It's very simple. Okay, the shaded area equal to area of outer sector minus area of inner sector. Let 7 centimeter is R1 and 21 centimeter radius is R2. It is R2 and theta is 30 degree. But what is the area of sector? Area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so theta upon 360 degree into pi r2 square, because outer radius is r2. Theta upon 360 degree pi r1 square. Okay, theta upon 360 degree you common, pi is also common, and here r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, put values. Theta is your 30 degree, no? 30 degree upon 360 degree, 22 upon 7. Okay, you can write this R2 plus R1 and R2 minus R1, A plus B and A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. 0 to 0 cut. 3 1 are 3, here is 12. 6, here is 11. So 11 upon 6 into 7. Here R2 plus R1 will be what? R2 plus R1. 21 plus 7. And here 21 minus 7. 11 upon 6 into 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. Okay. And 21 minus 7 is 14. 7 1 are 7. 7 2 are 14. 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. So 28 into 11. Denominator is 3. 28 into 11 upon 3. I am writing 3 again. 28 into 11 what will be? Just you see. 28 into 11 by Vedic method. 2 and 8. 8 plus 2 10. Carry 1. This is 308. So 308 upon 3. What is centimeter square? This is your answer. Next question is, calculate the area of the design region in the given figure common between two quadrants. Two quadrants are there, no? One is D, A, B, and second one is C, B, D. Two quadrants are there. Okay, one design is given to you of the circle of radius 8 centimeter. Okay, this is radius is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, all four are looking like a square. Okay, now what to do? You have to find out this this particular region. I am going to find this BQD. है ना? BQD I am going to find like this. BQD. Okay, I am joining this here. This is 8 and this is 8. Okay. This is A, B, Q, D. How can I get this? How can I get this? Area of quadrant, this is 90 degree, no? Area of quadrant minus this area of triangle. Okay, area of quadrant minus area of triangle what? ABD. And if I have to find, if I take this one another quadrant and this thing I have to find out. This thing I have to find. This is C. Again same, area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So I am taking one general formula. So because we are doing 2 times, so 2 into area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Okay, this I am rubbing. Now what is radius of the circle? It is given to you 8. Base is 8, height is also 8. Come on. And what is area of quadrant? Pi r square upon 4. And what is area of triangle? Half base into height. Okay. And see, shaded region equal to 2 into area of quadrant ABQD. ABQD minus area of triangle ABD. Then I place the formula here, pi r square upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 b into h, then whole bracket 2 into this. Okay, now I am putting the values in. Keep 2 as it is down. 22 upon 7. 8 into 8 minus half. Base is 8 and height is also 8. So 8 4s are 32 is here. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 into, this is 22 no, into 16 upon 7 minus 32. What is 22 into 16? 2 is already outside. 22 into 16, 352 minus, I am taking LCM no, and 32 into 7, 224. Okay, then subtract it. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 1 upon 7. What will be the answer then? Last answer. This is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. This is the answer of it.